Hi, welcome back to the vlog. So, I'm here with Gigi. What are we making? Cornbread. Cornbread. So, we're making jalapeno cornbread. Here's the recipe if you want it. Our Christmas card! Okay, I'm checking if Monday's MLK Day because if it is, we have a day off. So for lunch, we're having cheese pizza and yum, 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 yum. Pretty clear there. And if you didn't know, that's powdered sugar. It's not like flour or something, obviously. And then where is it? What's your pie thing called? Yum. I am about to start editing at the beginning of this vlog. I have not vlogged much today, but I finished editing, what was it, yesterday's vlog, New Year's Eve. So, I changed my wallpaper. I absolutely love this. It's so cute.
Thank you.
I love it. And then my home screen wallpaper, this.
I like that.
Like the video if you want a how I edit my videos, because I would be down to do that. So this is a temporary video editor that I'm using. I'm hopefully gonna get a new one for my birthday, but this one comes with the laptop, so I was just like, sure, I'll use it. I have no other video editor to use, so I'm gonna get the hang of it.
Break. They're so windy.
I love being in my PJs all day.
I know, right?
We're having ice cream for dessert. Officially out of ice cream. So, I'm back home now. If you could not tell by the beginning of this video, I was packing up from Gigi's, and it's currently 1:10 p.m. I'm starving. I have not eaten lunch. I'm tired, as you can hear. I have a lot of cleaning to do in my room, and I also want to like dust and everything and stuff like that. So, we got a lot to do today. Alright guys, so really quickly, I'm listening to Unsolicited Advice, one of my most favorite podcasts ever. So I wanted to stop the time lapse really quickly because I wanted to talk. So it's 2021 now, January 2nd. I still can't believe that. And you know, my style has changed quite a bit since, you know, May 2020. So, you know, I just wanted to get rid of the clothes that, you know, they're t-shirts, but like they're not my vibe anymore. For example, in May 2020, I wanted to wear this all the time. It's kind of like a towel crop top. It's bright pink. It looks orange on camera. It's not. It's literally a towel and it's bright pink. Like this. Maybe when I get out of the shower, because it's like a towel, but like, I'm not gonna wear this out in public. However, now, I'm wearing this. It's a pretty cropped sweatshirt, and it's just got a little Adidas. It gets tight at the bottom and it's loose at the top, and it's pretty cropped. It's like cropped to about right here. Huge difference there, you know? In May 2020, I wanted to wear this shirt all the time. It is a National Museum of the Pacific War. I absolutely love this t-shirt because I'm keeping it, but I absolutely love it because, you know, I got it at a museum of the Pacific War. I love history, specifically tragic American history, but like, I'm not gonna wear this out in public at home, sure. And now I want to wear long t-shirt, biker shorts, which you can't see, and a fanny pack across my body. Okay guys, so it is 8:01 p.m. and I still have to finish cleaning my room a little. I took a little break though, and for some reason, like right here on my back is hurting so badly. Like it's an inside pain, and it literally feels like someone's like grinding chalk on my bones. It hurts so badly, and like, you know, when I stand, when I try and stretch it, it just hurts so bad. Like, ow, that hurts so badly. So I'm kind of worried about that. I'm gonna try and take some medicine and everything, and I don't know, maybe put a heating pad on it tonight. See what helps. So I took an ice bath the other day. It barely even helped my muscles. I mean, keep in mind they were hurting like really badly, so it did help a lot, but yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and finish cleaning my room, and I will probably see you guys tomorrow. I don't know. I'm having a little anxiety right now, just about a lot of things, and you know, I don't really want to talk about it. I just want to like write stuff down. So, you know, I don't really want to vlog anymore today. So, yeah.